The reflex arc. This one here is demonstrating how an impulse travels from the sensory receptors back to the central nervous system and back to the effector organ, or the effector, of course, organs are going to be muscles or they could be glands. So in this case, we are looking, of course, you know that in our bodies we have so many sensory organs. An example, we have the eyes that are sensitive to light. We have the nose that is sensitive to smell. So you know these smells are actually is a chemical, is a form of chemical energy they're sensitive to. The eyes are sensitive to light energy. And then we know that the ears are sensitive to sound as well as mechanical energy. We know the tongue is sensitive to chemical energy because of the taste. Now, the skin is sensitive to pressure or changes in pressure. It's sensitive to changes in temperature, and it's also sensitive to pain. So in this demonstration, we are talking about pain receptors, how pain receptors can channel or can convert that into an electric signal that can be carried to the brain, and how the effect can be carried out afterwards. Imagine this is your skin and your pierced or a sharp object kind of hurts you. When it hurts you, the sharp object in this case is going to be the stimulus. Now, this stimulus is going to stimulate the nerve cells below your skin or beneath your skin. In this case, they're going to be pain receptors, and then they will convert this stimulus into an electric signal that is going to be taken through the sensory neuron to the central nervous system. Within the central nervous system, there is another neuron which is called a relay neuron. This relay neuron will send back an impulse, which is a response impulse, through the motor neuron and back to the effector. Effector organ could be maybe a gland within, maybe an example, it could be maybe the pancreas, or it could be the liver, or it could be anything. So, and can be an organ, and in this case, we have a muscle within that organ. So this muscle can respond by enabling you to move away your hand so that you do not face its danger continuously or anymore. Sometimes, if this is not a reflex action, actually it could continue to the brain, and if it involves the brain, it is no longer a reflex action. Thank you so much for being part of this video, and see you again next time.